Battery Guyz.
Yes, is this Battery?
Yes, I can help you.
Yes, sir. I was looking for a 65 EXT.
Okay, group size 65. Is it going in a truck?
Yes, sir. It's a 65 EXT. It goes in a Dodge 3/4 ton.
Yep. Okay, we got it in stock for you.
Can you tell me how much it is?
Yeah, with tax out the door be $80 plus tax. A 1-year warranty be $91 with a trade-in. I also got a 2-year warranty for $112.49.
No, the 1 year is fine. I can get it for less than $100.
Yep, just bring in your old battery.
Alrighty, thank you very much. Hey, y'all are on Hollywood, right?
Yes, sir. Hollywood and Fairfield. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for the call. We close at 5 o'clock, sir.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Call for extend.
Battery Guyz.
Hi, I'm looking for a battery, and I was wondering, I have a Hyundai Elantra 2010. Does it have to be a Hyundai Elantra battery?
2010, that's what it is, ma'am? A Honda Elantra?
Yeah.
All right, hold on for
And
1
like,
second. I'm going to put you on hold for 1 second. I'm going to be right back, ma'am. I'll place you on hold.
Elantra.
2010 Elantra.
Extension 0.
Battery Guyz.
Hey, good morning. This is Ollie with Ship Station. Is this Albert?
Yeah, how you doing, sir?
I'm good. How are you doing today?
I'm quite busy right now. I got 2 lines holding right now.
Okay, but I'll be very quick. I was on the phone with you yesterday in regards to that Ship Station account that you signed up for. I was hoping to find some time with you to get the Ship Station account fully set up.
Yeah, I'm about to give you a call back or email you back because right now, like I said, I got 2 lines holding right now. I'm kind of really extremely busy right now. Just
I get it. Fully understand.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Let's just give me a call back whenever you have some time.
All right, we'll do, sir.
121R.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye. Which one? Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh yes, we do got that battery in stock for you.
How much?
It'll be $80 plus tax with a 1-year warranty with a trade-in. Also got a 2-year for $100 plus tax.
Okay. I'm gonna have to have somebody jump me off, and that'll be about 1:15. So I'm coming down there.
Okay, all right. We'll close at 5 o'clock, man. We're here at 5 o'clock.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, bye. Battery Guyz.
Hey, how's it going?
Doing good. How can I help you?
Okay, so, first, are you guys in Florida? Are you okay?
Yeah, we fine. Yes, ma'am. We're in Pensacola.
Okay, well, okay, good. I'm glad to hear that. I'm so glad to hear that. Okay, now moving on. Batteries. Okay, so, my son, my 15-year-old drives a golf cart to school and back all the time in Georgia. And his batteries are old, and he's been adding water to it and all this kind of stuff to just, limp it along. I think it's done. What should I do? Help a mom out here so I don't have to buy new batteries.
How old is what type of batteries again? You said it's a car battery or what type of battery is it?
Yeah, golf cart.
Oh, it's golf cart batteries. Okay. And
Yeah.
how old are the golf cart batteries?
Oh, they're old. More than 4 years. I'm gonna guess like 8.
Oh yeah, they're too old. Yeah, 8 years old.
We have some 6s out there.
Yeah. No. This customer, she basically calling about asking about our battery solution. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Golf cart batteries 8 years old, ma'am. It's time to recycle those and get a new set. Them batteries don't have it.
Yeah, I wouldn't even spend the
No,
money on it.
I kind of believe you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your magic, would do it. But okay, so can I buy batteries from you?
Are you here in Pensacola? Where you located at?
No, I'm in Georgia.
Oh yeah, the thing about the golf cart batteries, it'll be too much, to ship them by on freight. So you might come out better part of buying it locally. To be honest with you.
Really? Because they are like $1 million.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right. What volts do you need?
Oh, good question.
Are there 3 caps on top or 4?
Does 48 make sense?
Yeah.
Is it 6 volts or it could be 6 volts or 12 volts? So okay, so do
I
you
think
need?
it's probably 12. I took the golf cart downstairs. It's a club club car, golf cart. Probably 12. Let me go look. Okay, what are you going to tell me next?
Yeah, is it 6 volts or 12 volts? I mean, if it has 6 batteries in it, that means it's 6 volts. If it has 4, that's a 12. I mean, it has 12 volts in it.
Oh, I think it has 6 batteries.
Okay.
Battery.
Okay. So you got 6. So you got. Oh, she said. You said it's a 48 volt system or 36 or 48 volt system.
It's 48 volt. Yeah.
That's 8 volts then. That's 8 volts. Yeah. Right now, we don't have any 8 volts in stock now.
Okay, so how long do I have to keep it limping along to get 8 volt batteries from you?
Man, it's kind of hit and miss with us, man. I mean, as soon as we get those golf cart batteries in, they sell out quickly. Those are our *1 sellers, and we haven't had 8 volts in for a while, to be honest with you.
Oh, I'll give you mine. So what you're telling me is I'm just gonna have to buy them new, huh?
Yeah, probably, yeah. Or what I can do, I can take down your name and telephone number. If we get some in within the next week or a couple of days, I can give you a call. I can do that.
I would really appreciate it, even if, yeah, that'd be amazing.
All right, thank you for calling Battery Guyz.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye-bye.
Battery Guyz.
Oh, yes, I was giving a call because I needed a battery to possibly be replaced.
All right.
For the cheapest possible price.
Okay. What is the year, make, and model of the vehicle?
2014 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport.
Let's see here. Let me put you on hold for 1 second, sir. On that battery, I got a Elantra coupe. Is there a coupe? You said sport. Is a Elantra coupe, Elantra GT?
Not Santa Fe, S-A-N-T-A-F-E.
Yeah, I know. Oh, Santa Fe. You said Hyundai Santa Fe, right?
Yeah, Santa Fe.
All right, let me see. Hold on for a second. Okay, I see it. I see it right here. Got it. Santa Fe Sport. Got it. It is a 124R. You got a 124R? Hold on for 1 second, sir. We're checking for you right now. 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport, 2.4 liter.
I believe so, yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, right now we're currently out of stock of that battery. It'll be available tomorrow though.
I'll give it right to him.
Okay.
You're looking at $80 plus tax. It'd be $80 plus tax with a 1-year warranty with a trade-in. That's the cheapest we have.
Alright, that sounds great. Yeah, what time do y'all close tomorrow?
5 o'clock.
Alright, I'll see if I can come on by. Thank you.
Thank you, buddy. Bye.
I'll go.
Call for extension.
Battery Guyz.
Hi, how you doing?
Doing good.
I got a question for you.
All right.
Okay, you are located on Fairfield, right? On the right-hand side, coming from Myrtle Grove.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I've got a 2005 Dodge Caravan, and obviously I got a dead cell on my battery because it just clicks, and then you can't, it won't recharge after you drive it. It just goes right back dead. The guy that jumped me off yesterday, he said it's a 750 battery that's in there now.
Okay.
So, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I'm praying, hoping you can give me a good price on either, a reconsideration.
Is it a Dodge Grand Caravan?
Yes.
All right. We're checking our inventory for you right now, ma'am. All right, man. We got one left in stock, ma'am. Looking at $80 plus tax with a trade-in with a 1-year warranty.
For $80?
With tax, it'd be $91 total, ma'am. Out the door with $91 total. Out the door.
$91 out the door?
Yes, ma'am. With the trade-in.
Sounds like a lot with only 1 year.
Well, ma'am, if you call Autos, on Old Riders or Batteries Plus, ma'am, that same battery retails over $200. I can save you $100 on it. Give us a call back. Check them and give us a call back.
I will. Okay, what's your name?
My name's Al.
Okay, thanks, Al.
Thank you. Bye. Battery Guyz.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Good. I have a question about using one of the products.
Okay.
So I've got a golf cart and I'm trying to recondition the battery. And on the bottle it says put a couple ounces, 2-3 ounces in each cell after you've emptied the battery.
Well, the 2 or 3 ounces is actually yes. Yes. After, how many gallons did you buy?
One. I just bought one bottle. Is that a gallon?
Yep, 1 gallon, and so you trying to recondition your whole set of golf cart batteries?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
1 gallon only does 1 battery, ma'am. It's just like changing the oil of your car.
Okay.
It's just like changing the oil of your car. You got to get yourself a 5-gallon bucket and dump out the old stuff completely,
Okay.
and then
Right.
and then get yourself like the distilled water, to pour into each cell, and then shake it around.
Right.
Then empty it again, to get rid of all the dirty contents that's in the cells or whatever. Then you take the gallon jug, then you add the gallon jug to each cell. It's gonna take a whole gallon to fill up each battery.
That's why I was so confused. Okay. Because on this, okay, I got you. I thought that when I read it online, it read to be like 1 gallon was going to do all of my batteries. And
Nope.
So I must have misunderstood.
That's if you
so
just
when I
are
was doing it,
filling
like
it
you
up.
just
Yeah.
described, and of course I watched your video, I'm like, how is this not, enough? So apparently I need to order a few more gallons. Oh, mercy. I'm going to need to order 5 more gallons for my 6 batteries, huh?
Yeah, yep. To bring them back up to like they were better than new. Yes, ma'am. Just like changing the oil in your car, you got to get rid of all that old watered down content that's in the batteries.
Gotcha. Yeah, totally. I agree. Yeah, like I said, we emptied it already.
Okay.
So nothing's they're gonna be damaged sitting there dry for 2 days, are they?
No, be fine.
Okay. All right, great. So I'm gonna get online. I'm gonna order the rest of that. And as we continue to use these, I can put distilled water in there as we go along, like we were before. Correct?
No.
Okay.
That's the whole purpose. See,
I saw that on there.
yeah. That's the whole purpose. Is that once you recondition the battery, do not add no more distilled water. Cause all you're gonna do is dilute the content that's in the battery. You keep adding water, it's going to turn back into water. so to maintain it, you use the battery dust sulfate to add 2 to 3 ounces every time it goes down to each cell. That's what the 2 to 3 ounces is. To maintain your battery, you add 2 to 3 ounces per cell once you recondition the battery.
You already have good acid, yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, because I watched one of your videos and it says that you guys were using distilled water to make the whatever it was. And
Yep.
I was like, oh, well,
Yeah.
then I can just add some distilled water.
Nope.
To this, okay.
That's why-
I was going to do it all wrong.
Yeah, that's why on the jug itself, on
it does say that.
yep, it says do not add water.
Right.
On the bottom.
That's what I was so confused.
Yep.
I'm watching I swear I'm trying my best. I'm watching your videos. I'm doing the thing, Okay, well, I'm glad I called and got that straightened out. I'll order a few more jugs and we'll be on our way.
All right, sounds good, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you for the call. All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
Battery Guyz.
Hi. I was trying to find out if you guys have the 24-volt batteries that would be for like a Power Wheels.
No, ma'am, we don't. We don't sell those.
Where would be the best place to go and get one, do you know?
You can call either Batteries Plus or either Battery Source here locally.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you for the call. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Even though if we don't have the customer's batteries, we still do the right thing and refer customers, to the ones who do carry their batteries. We do not carry Power Wheel batteries, so we refer our competitors, either Batteries Plus or another local company here is called Battery Source. Okay? That's how we do business. So it's enough business for everybody to go around. So stop stressing it out about business. Like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel.